Module 10 discussion. I chose prompt 1, variable stars. Something I found in my research I wanted to read. I found it rather interesting to what we were learning. Stars are the primary engines of cosmic evolution, particularly in the creation of elements heavier than hydrogen and helium, which makes up us and the world that we live in. Further stars and their systems of planets are the only likely places we will find life in the universe. I found that rather interesting. I liked it and I wanted to share it. All right, first off, a variable star, what is it? Basically, a star that changes brightness, whether regularly or irregularly. It is considered variable if its apparent magnitude is altered in any way from our perspective from Earth. These changes can occur over years or just fractions of a second. They can range anywhere from 1,000th to 20 magnitude. Why is a star variable? It could be because it is intrinsic and periodically swells and shrinks, or it could be because it's extrinsic due to an orbiting companion that sometimes eclipses it. An example of a variable star is our very own sun. The energy put out by it changes approximately 0.1% or 1,000th of its magnitude over the course of an 11-year solar cycle. There are several types of variable stars. The Cepheid, or Cepheid, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. That is an intrinsic variable which pulsates in a predictable way. A Cepheid star's period is directly related to its luminosity and are extremely luminous. The very distant ones can be observed and measured. Mira is a variable star. Mira is named for the first observed one, which was named, hence, Mira. They're characterized by their very red color, their pulsating periods that are longer than 100 days, and amplitude that are normally greater than 1 magnitude in infrared and 2.5 magnitude at visual wavelengths. They are red giants which are in the late stages of its stellar evolution. They'll shed their outer envelope and become a white dwarf within a few million years. Study of or research of variable stars is very important because it provides us important data or information about stellar properties such as mass, radius, luminosity, temperature, internal and external structures, composition, and finally evolution. A lot of this data is difficult, if not impossible, to obtain any other way. And in many cases, it's the nature of variability that provides us clues to the answers we seek. This information, once obtained, may be used to understand other stars in other galaxies. Variable stars need to be observed systematically over decades in order to determine their long-time behavior. Unfortunately, professional astronomers have neither the available time nor the unlimited telescope access needed to gather such information. Therefore, it is the amateur astronomers that utilize visual and photographic or even photoelectric CCD, CMOS, and DSLR techniques and are making the real and highly useful contribution to science by dedicating their own time and energy to observing these types of stars and submitting their observations to the AAVSO International Database. This important information is needed to analyze and even schedule satellite observations of certain stars so that the information can be correlated from satellites and ground-based observations to make computerized theoretical models. There are several different types of variable stars, and they play an important role in understanding and learning about the universe we are a part of. Cepheid variables helped us determine distances of faraway galaxies and to figure out the age of the universe. Mira variables have given us glimpses into the future of evolution of our own variable star, the sun. Accretion disks in cataclysmic variable stars has helped us to understand the larger scale disk behavior, such as the activity that occurs in galaxies, especially those that contain black holes within them. Even the search for extraterrestrial life has been assisted by variable stars. We have gained clues into the process of planetary formation and stuff that life is made of, and that it comes from the hearts of stars that explode in its final stages of evolution. Thank you.